Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then tap on the personalizations. After that, click here to always on display. Just to change the always on display feature, we can manage the display options all day, to set the shuttle, the start and the end time, and we can also use it only on power saving mode. We can here also just use the information like the time, the date, the battery status, and to show the notifications. We can turn off all of these options if you want. We can turn them all, or just we can don't show the date or the battery, so you can choose what you wanna just show on your always on display feature. You can also here select the you can use your own time, or you just can select the, for example, you can here set the custom pattern. You can change here the colors. For example, let's just use this one. For example, you can also just change the shape of this pattern. No, so just click here to OK. We can switch also the just color of the time and date, and we can click here to apply. So now we can add our custom time here. So let's just see. So we can see that we just successfully customized always on display feature on our Realme device. If you don't want to use your custom just time, you can, for example, use the place clocks. So let's just set, so looks so good here. So for example, we can select here just one from this available times. Okay, I want to use this one, then just click here to apply. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.